Welcome to this video exploring the fascinating history of mathematics, specifically focusing on the Egyptian number system. Ancient Egypt was a cradle of applied mathematics. From engineering massive structures to medicine and complex administration, their mastery of the physical world demonstrates a sophisticated understanding of mathematical principles. Unlike our modern base 10 place value system, the Egyptians used an additive base 10 system. A symbol's value was constant regardless of its position, meaning you had to physically count and add the symbols to find a total. The Egyptian hieroglyphs for powers of 10 were distinct: a staff for 1, a heel bone for 10, a coil of rope for 100, and a lotus blossom for 1,000. For even larger scale operations, they used symbols representing 10,000, 100,000, and even 1 million. These were essential for managing the logistics, labor, and agricultural records of their vast empire. When writing numbers, Egyptian scribes followed specific rules. They typically read from right to left, wrote the largest decimal orders first, and clustered symbols aesthetically to ensure readability. Basic arithmetic relied on the logic of accumulation. If a scribe collected 10 of a specific unit, they would perform a carry by replacing them with a single symbol of the next highest order. Addition was straightforward. Combine all like symbols together and consolidate them according to their decimal order. Here, we see the process of adding 456 and 265 to reach a total of 721. Multiplication, while appearing slow, showcased a brilliant application of the distributive property. Scribes used an iterative method of doubling to solve equations. To multiply 5 by 29, for example, they would double values based on powers of 2 and sum the necessary rows, demonstrating an early understanding of base 2 logic. Division was handled by reversing the multiplication process. Scribes asked what number, when multiplied by the divisor, would equal the dividend, effectively using the same doubling technique. Fractions were indispensable for bureaucracy. Egyptian fractions were typically unit fractions, having a numerator of 1, requiring them to deconstruct complex ratios into sums of these parts. Even mythology influenced their math. The parts of the Eye of Horus were used as symbols to represent specific fractional measurements in daily life and religious practice. As their administrative needs grew, scribes developed Hieratic, a shorthand script for fast-paced work on papyrus. It condensed symbols, though they never fully adopted a place value system. Thank you for watching. It is clear that for the ancient Egyptians, mathematics was indeed the language used to carve their world.